Hi, I'm Juan from CureUV, and today I'm going to show you our 95-watt Germaway UV economy tabletop. Just as powerful as our more expensive 95-watt tabletops, just a little bit less features so that we can make it more affordable, more of an entry-level price with really good functionality still. So it's pretty basic. It comes with a 95-watt bulb and ballast, and that's kind of the system it's founded on. And it has a very simple timer. If you've made eggs, you can use this timer. You simply turn it up to 60 minutes and then it comes back and dings essentially, right? Pretty easy to use, like all our products that you can turn on by themselves. It comes with Germaway UV visualizer cards, so you know exactly how to do your placement. We're gonna go into that a little bit later. And it comes with UV glasses. I'm not gonna use these because I already have my own, so I'll put these aside. All right, safety first, put my glasses on. And remember, you never want to be in the room when a system is on unless you're wearing proper PPE, which I am not. Glasses are just in case something were to happen. So pretty basic. You plug the unit in, you turn it on here, and you set the timer. I'm going to go for 20 minutes. And I want to walk out of the room. I have exactly 30 seconds to walk out, which is kind of a long time. And I'm going to use this visualizer card. I'm going to leave it here. Yellows on both sides. As you can tell, it's a new card. All right, walk out of the room. All right, as you can see, it ran for the cycle, however long that was, like 20 minutes or so. And the UVC visualizer card has turned green, which tells me it got at least 27 millijoules per centimeter squared, which is a good recommendation. Naturally, if I was cleaning a larger area, I wouldn't have put it so close. I would have put it a lot further to gauge exactly how long my cleaning cycle should be. So essentially, if a card at the edge of your cleaning cycle isn't turning green, you need to run your unit for longer amounts of time, or separate the big room into lots of little rooms. It's better to run it 2 times for 15 minutes in a large room than it is to run it 1 time in the center of the room for 45 minutes. You split it into 15 by 15 quadrants. That tends to work really well. So there you have it, this unit. It's the lowest priced tabletop we've ever had, so we're happy with it. If you have any questions or concerns, please let us know. We'd love to hear from you, and have a great day.